Time is a precious resource, ticking away regardless of how we choose to use it. Mastering time management isn't about squeezing more tasks into your day, but about making conscious choices with the time you have. Good time management reduces stress. When you have a plan, you feel calmer and more in control. It also boosts productivity. By focusing on what matters, you achieve more. Ultimately, effective time management leads to a more fulfilling life, allowing you to achieve your goals and enjoy your passions. Start each day by identifying your most important tasks. These are the things that will make the biggest difference in your work or personal life. Rank them in order of urgency and importance. The Eisenhower matrix is a helpful tool here. It categorizes tasks as urgent, important, important/not urgent, urgent, not important, and not urgent, not important. Focus on the urgent, important tasks first. Then tackle the important, not urgent ones. Delegate or eliminate the rest. Planners and digital calendars are essential for visualizing your time. Write down appointments, deadlines, and tasks. This helps you see where your time is going and identify potential conflicts. Experiment with different formats: digital calendars, paper planners, bullet journals, to find what suits you best. Don't be afraid to customize. Use colors, stickers, or whatever helps you stay organized. Large tasks can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the task less daunting and provides a sense of accomplishment as you tick off each step. For example, instead of writing finish research paper, break it down. 1. Gather sources. 2. Write outline. 3. Draft introduction, and so on. Each step feels more achievable, propelling you toward your ultimate goal. Section 5. Aim for the stars. Setting smart goals. Get organized is a vague goal. Clean out my inbox by Friday is specific and measurable. Use the SMART acronym to set effective goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of exercise more, aim for run for 30 minutes 3 times a week. Clear goals provide direction and motivation. Section 6. The myth of multitasking. Focus for success. Our brains aren't wired to focus on multiple tasks simultaneously. Multitasking actually reduces efficiency and increases errors. Concentrate on one task at a time. Silence your phone, close irrelevant tabs, and create a dedicated workspace to minimize distractions. Give the task your full attention for a set period. The Pomodoro technique, working in 25-minute focused bursts, is a popular method. Section 7. Recharge and refocus, the power of breaks. Regular breaks are crucial for maintaining focus and preventing burnout. Step away from your work every hour or so. Take a walk, do some stretches, or simply close your eyes and breathe. Even short breaks can significantly improve your concentration and productivity. Schedule these breaks into your day, just like any other appointment. Section 8. Time is on your side. A recap for your journey. Mastering time management is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Start by implementing 1 or 2 tips that resonate with you. Experiment to find what works best for your lifestyle and work style. Remember, effective time management empowers you to live a more intentional and fulfilling life. You've got this.